Hello, today was supposed to be pick giveaway, but it'll be tomorrow. I'll explain the reasons why tomorrow. But today we're gonna have a shot of this cam lock. It's a Ruko one I got off Pete Restall, the shed picker. Thanks Pete for the lock. As you can see, all cam locks. It's always hard to turn with a cam lock. There's your bitting. Not a bad bitting, and there's the old Ruko sign for anybody who's interested. Right, let's give this a shot. Use this old tension wrench. And basically my tension, so you can see where I've been had to make new picks today, but I'll explain all that tomorrow. With tension with this, it's basically just keeping the tension wrench in place, and that is it. Right, to start from the back, and let's work our way forward. Like I say, I can't see the front of the lock, so I'm picking like sideways sort of thing. There we go, picked. Obviously that's in the road, but there you go, picked. There we go. Right, let's gut this and see what's inside. I'm gonna get rid of the vise. This is the second time I picked it. The trick to this lock is super light tension. It's simple as that. It's not really a hard lock to pick. But apparently, you got to think the technology that's in this, back in them days, would have been advanced. Because basically the stuff that's in here is just as good as what it is today. Anyway, let's see what's inside of this. I'll just sort my camera out and get that over there where we can see everything. We can lock it up because we've got a key. And I haven't got a clue I'm going to gut this, but I do not want to damage this because this is a lovely little lock and I want to keep it that way. So I want to be double careful. It's probably going to take us longer to gut it than it is to pick it. Like I say, I don't really want to damage this thing, like I want to keep it as good as possible. But like I say, the clip comes off nice. That's the one, that's the boy. See, that's what I like about Ruko clips, they're bendy and you can actually just flatten them back up with hammer. That's what I like about Ruko clips. See what I mean? Just comes clean off. I'm going to stick that over there. That tail piece should just clip off. And I'm going to put that part there just so I can remember which way it goes when I put it back together. See that little circle? I just want to make sure I get it back in the right order, so I'm not faffing about with it. I'll take that clip off. I'll put that there, and let's gut it. Off me folly of fits. Oh, we're in trouble. Which one should we use? Let's go. So look, please. I've got it. Shall it be sharpish? Right, I'll put that there for a minute. Now that's one of the old types with the sleeves. Look, that's what lock makers are doing now in the challenge locks. They're making the holes oval. So like the what is it? The spools catch, but they're making them oval, even wider. I've seen on challenge locks. It's like a sleeve rounded. But that is a very, very nice wall lock. Let's see what the pins are like. So I'll get rid of that. one. I think it's tapered the key pins as well. I think I'll have a proper look in a minute. 2, 3, 4, and last but not least 5. Is that a pin there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Usual, because it's got the thing in. You can see it. Look at that. It's got counter milling, but it's the sleeve that is that catches the pins. Look at what's coming up on the camera. Can you actually see it? Put that there. Just turn them pins around. Let's see what we have upstairs. Get the springs out. Perfecto. So if I look inside the car, see if the car's got anything in it. No, the car's just bog standard, as you can see. But there you go. Ruko. Let's get these pins turned around. Them are lovely, them lovely old spools. I thought they were like T-pins. I thought people call them T-pins. People call them spools, or that's what I'm saying. I get confused maybe with some of the pin names of these locks, because one person will call it one name and another person will call it another name. So I should call it whatever I think it is. But not a bad lock to pick. The trick to this lock is just super light tension. If I can get the springs to cooperate. Now we go. So tomorrow will be a pick giveaway, 2 picks. What I might do is make 2 winners for 1 pick each. Just to make it a bit more fair, so 2 people get a pick each. But here we go, a little Ruko-Old-Cam-Lock, very old one and a very, very nice one. And just look at that. And I think the keys have got, they're not tapered, but a bit of tapered. Where's my pick gone? Let's see, I'm not in for it. Yeah. As you can see, we have all like tapered, like I would say like a little bit tapered key pins. But look at them little tiny little spools, them look wicked, them. That's a very, very, and for some reason they've got like a standard, but it's like, I don't know, it looks like it's smooth at the bottom for some strange reason. But there you go, a Ruko-Old-Cam-Lock, picked and gutted, and thanks for watching, and bye.